Have you ever wondered how some people get more accomplished in 24 hours than most? Or who you must become to change your mindset to go from employee to entrepreneur? Or how some investors are able to efficiently manage 3, 4, even 5 projects simultaneously, stay on budget, meet deadlines, and earn a sizable profit? Or how to quickly estimate repair costs to avoid those costly renovation mistakes? Are you looking for a different result in your life or business right now? Well, my name is Steve, and I'm the president of Action Jackson Buys Houses and the founder and CEO of Steve Jackson and Associates. Most call me Action Jackson. Why, you say? Well, because I make things happen sooner than later, and more importantly, for my clients. Now, these are common challenges that can happen to anyone, but this doesn't have to happen to you anymore. Once you learn these exclusive system strategies and solutions, you will quickly overcome what is standing in your way. So come on out, join the fun while I share these tactics that the world's best and most successful entrepreneurs use to get out of the rat race and on the fast track of life. You don't have to take 20 seminars to figure out what works for you. You don't have to do the hard work that I did. I will show you a systematic money-making machine that you can rev up and set loose. Come on, join me, Action Jackson, at this first time ever event. Here's what you're going to actually learn while there. Exclusive system strategies and solutions on how to make more money, automate your business, and have more fun. I promise you. Also, a proven roadmap that will efficiently and profitably enable you to renovate 50 plus houses per year, mostly without you. Now, how to reduce the confusion and eliminate many of the challenges most business owners face each and every day. Quick and easy strategies to reduce your overhead costs by 40% and also pay 15% less in taxes. Now, who should attend? Those who have reached a level of pain in their life that it is finally a must to do whatever it takes to change it. Seasoned investors who seek innovative strategies to scale their business to 7 figures and beyond. Anybody who has a strong desire to learn and apply simple ideas to stop wearing all those hats and get your life back. Basically finds your who, not how. Now, my philosophy is simple. Live life by design, not by default. My mission is to learn, apply, and teach what works to help the person I used to be. With that said, we offer specialized training and coaching you wish you had back then to grow your business or fulfill your calling easier, faster, cheaper, and without so much struggle. If all you did was learn one tip, one strategy, or solution, would it be worth it? If you answered yes, then you owe it to yourself to come on out and join us. Don't miss out. Register below to attend today. Looking forward to seeing you and spending time with you at the event on Monday at 7 p.m. at the Beginner Investors Group online.